The shadows over Kalyanpur. At dusk in Kalyanpur. As dusk settled over Kalyanpur village, the sun dipped low, casting elongated shadows across the dust-covered roads that once echoed with laughter. Now, a heavy silence clung to the air, a stark reminder of the tragic accident that had changed everything. A fateful day. 4 years ago, Ajay was a boy full of life and vibrant energy. Today, he lay confined to hospital bed sheets, his legs once swift and playful, now still and unresponsive. A single moment of carelessness, a truck veering out of control, had brought devastation and changed the course of his life forever. A father's despair. Across the room, Raj clutched a faded photograph of Ajay from happier times. His heart, heavy with sorrow, ached as he looked at his son. A soft whimper broke the silence. "Baba," Ajay called. Raj hurried to his side, brushing back the boy's hair. "I'm here, beta." Ajay looked up, eyes wide and searching, silently asking a question neither of them dared to voice aloud. "Will I walk again?" It hung between them like a shadow. Raj took a deep breath, steeling his resolve. "Of course you will." Ajay's tiny fingers tightened around his father's hand, they gripped strong with hope. "Promise, promise," Raj whispered. "The journey begins." Days turned into weeks, and the hospital room became their entire world. Raj never left Ajay's side. They read stories, played games, and shared quiet moments filled with warmth and love. One day, Ajay's voice trembled as he asked, "Can we go home, Baba?" "Soon, my little warrior. Soon." A dream ignites. One evening, after therapy, Ajay's eyes lit up with sudden excitement. "Can we go to the Olympics?" he asked. Raj smiled, ruffling his hair. "The Olympics? That's a big dream, beta. I want to win a gold medal." Ajay's fists clenched with determination. Raj felt a wave of emotion. "Then we'll train, you and me." "Really?" "Yes. But first, we need to make you stronger." Building strength and hope. Their hope was delicate, yet it glowed brightly. Raj devoted himself to learning about treatments, speaking to doctors, and fighting for the best care. Each tiny milestone, Ajay lifting a leg or wiggling a toe, was celebrated like a major victory. "Look, Baba, I moved my toe." "Yes, that's it. You are getting stronger." Changing their world. Months passed, and their modest Delhi apartment transformed into a training ground. Resistance bands, mats, and weights covered the floors. Every morning, sunlight would spill through the windows, infusing energy into their routine. "Let's go, little champ," Raj would shout with playful enthusiasm. Ajay giggled. Again. Their laughter filled the space that once held only silence. Through pain and setbacks, they pushed forward, Raj with unwavering faith, Ajay with fierce resilience. "Faster, Ajay. You can do it." "I'm trying, Baba." Ajay would grunt, sweat dripping down his brow.